ready to hear a poem? Yes, what do you want? Yes, I'll show it to you. Wait. Are you all ready to hear a poem? Let's see. Deep in the woods at the riverside, mosquitoes there are big and wide. They buzz around your ears and head. You slap yourself till your face is red. Right? You search, you try to hunt them down. Do you know? This one you have just found. Certainly. Tell me one. Did you like the poem?
Yes.
What was the poem about?
Mosquitoes.
Poem was about mosquitoes. Are you all ready to learn about mosquitoes?
Yes.
Mosquitoes. See, I have a picture for you. Mosquitoes are the very common flying insect. You have seen mosquitoes are at home and various places, right?
Yeah.
And at the damp places also. Yes, listen to me. Listen to me. Yes, mosquitoes are a common flying insects which are found everywhere, almost everywhere, and there are almost more than 2,000 types of mosquitoes. Can you imagine 2,000 types? And they're like all the insects, even mosquitoes have its body divided into three main body parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. Even like all the insects, it also has a pair of antennae on its head, 3 pairs of legs, that is 6 legs mosquito has, and a pair of wings. I told you what does a wing means? We all have wings, right? See, this is a wing. All mosquitoes have wings like this. Yes. Yes, I'm going to do some mosquito. Loud, speak loudly.
2,000 different kinds of mosquitoes. They bite to reach 2,000 kinds of disease.
Possible, but not all mosquitoes. We learn about that later. Okay? Just wait. And we all know that they have the similar body parts like all the insects. Even after that, and also do you know that mosquito has a life cycle also? All insects have life cycle?
Yes.
Even mosquito has a life cycle. Let's see about it. Yes, Darsh.
It is the mosquito and the mosquito.
You will see. Can you tell me? Okay? You will see first. You know, there are an adult female mosquito. When an adult female mosquito drinks blood, it lays about 40 to 400 tiny white eggs on the standing or the very slow moving water. Nowadays it is a rainy season. You have seen many mosquitoes on the water, breathing on the water, right? There are many eggs on that water. And after few weeks, the eggs hatches into larva. And larva is inside the water. It breathes air through its tube. There's a tube here. It breathes air through that. After few weeks, the larva, that is after the 4th mold, larva changes sizes 4 times, and after its 4th moldation, you know the molding process, right?
Yes.
After its 4th moldation, the mosquito changes into a pupa. And you know what? A pupa is the still position. position. Pupa doesn't move and doesn't eat anything. Whereas larva eats bits of floating plants. Wherever there is a bit of floating plant, the larva eats that. Whereas pupa doesn't eat anything. And after few weeks, the pupa turns into an adult. When the skin splits, when the skin splits of the pupa turns into to an adult mosquito. And an adult mosquito lives only for a few weeks, and this complete metamorphosis or the complete life cycle of a mosquito takes about 1 month. See how much time, right? Yes, Satvika. Yes, similar. It is a similar way. And yes, that is what I said, no? Yes, you know what? We have female mosquitoes and male mosquitoes, right? But only female mosquitoes feed on blood of the living things, and they can have the nectar of the plants also. Whereas male mosquitoes only live on the nectar of the plant. They do not bite any human being or any kind of living being. If you have any kind of bites on your body or if you get ill also, it is all because of a female mosquito. And children, do you know there are many diseases also which are spread by mosquito? There are many diseases like dengue fever is there is yellow fever we also call it jaundice, right? And there is malaria also, and there are many other diseases like chikungunya, etc. Many other, we will find about them. Yes, Charlie. Loud. Now, are you taking care of it? Good. And you? That maybe because of the yellow fever you were having, right? That's the mouth of the mosquito. Children, we have a mouth of a mosquito here. This tube-like mouth we also have in butterfly, in honeybees. This is called a proboscis, remember?
Yes.
With the help of a proboscis, this tube-like mouth, the mosquito sucks in the food, whatever the food or the nectar they want, the mosquito sucks them.
Yes.
With the help of this tube-like mouth, we call it proboscis. And yes, even butterfly has it. Yes.
One day when I was small, I came and I was having pain in my leg, eyes, all the body parts, and when I come back and go
Put
to
your hand up.
I have that leg.
Yes, sir. Loud. Loud. It's okay. It's okay. Now we are all fine. It's okay. Later. Yes, Arika. Oh, yellow fever. Is fine now? Good. Take care. Children, so we have so many diseases around them because of the mosquitoes. Because you know what happens when a female mosquito drinks blood from the infected body of a living being, when somebody is having some kind of infection and a female mosquito bites that person or a living thing, the mosquito, she sucks in the blood and she will come and bite the other person also. The other person can also have the fever. The other person also has the disease and is transmitted into the other person also. That's why it said we should prevent ourselves from the mosquitoes and we should keep our surroundings clean, right? Yes. Flower, I showed you already. wrigglers. Yes. The larva of a mosquito is also called a wriggler. And they are also called wrigglers because they wriggle. Alright? And a pupa is called a tumbler. Can you see the shape of a tumbler? It is the shape of a tumbler, no? Somewhat like a tumbler. A glass and a mouth, that's why it is called a tumbler. Yes. And you know what? Now, if there are so many diseases, what should we do to prevent ourselves? There are many measures we should take, right? For example, listen to me. For example, we should keep our surroundings clean. We should not go near. We should try and avoid the damp places. And if there is a water at a place, we should clean that area, right? We should, right? And we should also have door frames and window panes in our houses so that mosquito doesn't enter. We can also use mosquito repellent. See, I'm wearing mosquito repellent here. Can you see? What is it? This is a mosquito match. Sanvi also wears it. I remember. Yes. Okay, that's nice. So such kind of mosquito repellents like patches or codonines, all outs. Yes, a ruler is also there. Yes, a band is there. You can use such mosquito repellents. Yes, I know. Yes, we know. We can use such mosquito repellents to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. Pardon? Yes, we can use mosquito nets also under our home. On our bed, we can put mosquito nets so that at night when we sleep, no mosquito won't bite us. Okay? And what else can we do? We should even cover our eatables and our drinking water so that mosquito doesn't give birth to the more eggs there or more mosquitoes there. Yes. Yes, we should keep ourselves also clean. Right? Yes, watch. Now, I went to
under the water. I see one mosquito. I saw one mosquito fly in the water. Underwater.
Seriously?
Yes.
Oh my God.
I can see the fly.
No, mosquitoes cannot fly in the water.
No, ma'am. He would. You still want to see the
They can sit on the water. Like here the mosquito is sitting on the water, right? They can stand on the water or they can sit on the water, but they cannot go inside the water. If they go inside the water, they'll die.
If maybe walking at me, ma'am, he's dead, but his wing is like this.
Yes.
Ma'am, maybe it's on the mouth.
Pardon, what is what ant? Yes. Yes. Oh wow, that's nice. Oh my God, that's very good. Now, children, tell me one thing. You all understood about the insects?
Yes.
What insect did we learn about today? Ara will tell me. Ara will tell me loudly and in a good full sentence.
We learned about mosquito.
We learned about mosquitoes. And what is the food of a mosquito? Blood and? You will answer me in the full sentence, Anna. Suck.
Blood and eat
This is a conjunctivitis disease, but it's spread by the bites. Okay. And you had a big red mark. Oh, have you had a red big mark? Alright, children, who will tell me about the body parts, three main body parts of a mosquito? I don't want all my children to stand. I don't want my children to stand. Sit. Everyone will get the turn, so there is no need to stand. Even Radhika go. Yes, Taneja.
Head, abdomen, thorax.
Yes, three main body parts: head, abdomen, and thorax. And what kind of wings does a mosquito has, Pearl? What kind of wings? Who is Pearl? No. Regular is a position or a stage in the life cycle of a mosquito. Vitisha? Now we call it veined wings. We call it veined wings. Okay. And tell me, what kind of eyes does a mosquito have? Animesh. All insects are compound eyes. Yes. And okay, tell me two diseases. Name me two diseases that are spread by mosquitoes. Wait for your turn. Prithvi. Full sentence. Loud. Come up with hand up. The diseases spread by mosquitoes are loud, yellow fever, and who will tell me the other one? Ask me. Dengue. And anyone else? Malaria. Okay, now tell me, if there are many mosquitoes around, how will you prevent or protect yourself from the mosquitoes? Adi. Bands and stickers and Rana. You can spray, hit all the mosquito repellent sprays at home. And Satrika. Enough about the mosquito repellents. Tell me a new one. That is Parishi. Mosquito patch and yes. Everyone is telling me about the repellents. What about the other things? Children, I don't want answers like this. What did I say? You have to wait for your turn. Nandini. Yes, we should keep our things clean. And Vitisha. Yes, we should cover the food and water, and we should keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Okay, tell me how many stages are there in a life cycle of a mosquito? Raise your hand, I'll ask. Raise your hand. Charvi. speak it out.
Four.
4. Okay, that